Creating Looker Studio dashboard is a pretty simple thing to do, which is also formerly known as Google Data Studio. It's a pretty simple thing, and I will be telling you how you guys can set up a dashboard in it. So go ahead and click on Looker Studio Overview application. I will be providing this link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And once you are in the Looker Studio interface, all you have to do is to click on Create New Report. So simply go ahead and click on that. Just go ahead and give the information regarding your country. So once you're in it, all you have to do is to connect the data source. That could be a Google Sheet, BigQuery or SQL database or Postgres database, and any sort of Microsoft Excel sheet, all the data that you want to upload in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the Google Sheet. And I just need to authorize it to connect with my Google Sheet, and after that, I'll be able to connect it with my Google Sheet. So once I have done that, the next step is very easy. So we can add charts, add customizable filters, for example, dimension metrics, and customize size like color, fonts, and anything else. And this is a sample report about YouTube channel report. And here you guys can see that I have created charts like I can see charts about views or watched with the charts in it. That gives me precise timing with timestamps, the video shares and everything else. Here you guys can see that here it is listed my top videos that are being watched. So the titles are written over here, including with the link to the video as well. So this is how I can set up the dashboard. If I want to use anything, I can filter out data. I can specify everything that is in it. So this is how you guys can create a Looker Studio dashboard. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.